Whatever it is making you money right now, I bet you feel you could be making much more without working any harder than how you're working right now. If that's how you feel now, then you need to stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention. Because I am about to reveal the secret of the rich and wealthy and how you can follow in their footsteps to achieve financial freedom of your own design. Before we get to that, first I've got a quick question for you. What's financial freedom to you? Is it the luxury of buying anything you want at the grocery store without having to look at the price tag? Becoming your own boss? Work anywhere and anytime you want? Going on dream vacations? Being able to buy your dream house or your dream car? Perhaps philanthropy is more meaningful to you, to be able to help others because you are already taken care of. I am sure you have your own idea of financial freedom. But why hasn't it happened for you? This isn't the first time you've been looking for a way to make more money for yourself, right? If you already had the results you wanted, I'm sure you wouldn't be on this page, or searching for ways to double, triple, or 10 times your income. Well, your struggle ends today, because I am going to show you how to grow your wealth without working harder than you are right now. So what's the secret of the rich and wealthy? To best explain this to you, here's a short story. This is John. He works in a full-time job like everyone else. But what makes John different from his colleagues and peers is that while they're working for money, John's end goal was to have money work for him. Instead of saving money, he invested his savings in assets that, in turn, produce cash flow for him. Eventually, John's assets would produce more income for him than his job, and John propels himself out of the rat race. This is an example of financial genius. The top successful wealthy people you know today have used this strategy in one form or another. So the name of the game is invest in cash-producing assets. It doesn't matter whether you're a self-employed small business owner or an employee working for someone else. You too can grow your wealth. Success does not discriminate. You only need to do certain things to get there. It's not how much you make, but how much you keep and grow your money. That's the premise of my online training program, Wealth Creation Blueprint. This ultimate go-to master guide took me several months to create and backed by years of collective experience. But it was totally worth it. This 50-part training program shows you tried and tested ways to build passive income streams and make your money work hard for you, instead of you working hard for money. Unlike most courses out there that cover just one method or one investment vehicle, this mega training course covers 3. It's too long to mention everything, but here's the gist. Wealth 1.0, a proven vehicle to grow your wealth for centuries. How to leverage on other business owners and have them make money for you. Fail-proof method to preserve your wealth. This is literally a no-brainer. The I CAN formula. How to create multiple passive income streams while minimizing your risks. How to spot cash-producing assets. And learn all of these part-time, spending just 60 minutes a day. Plus more. I know of investment seminars and wealth programs that charge $2,500 per head. So to give all these packed into one ultimate training course for much less is a bargain. And why not? If I can help spawn more wealthy people and even millionaires, thus, you don't have to fork out anywhere near $2,500. Not at all. In fact, what I am about to charge is totally minuscule. You'd be stupid not to get this. Go down below this video, click on the order button, and purchase now. Did I mention that Wealth Creation Blueprint is protected by my ironclad guarantee, or it's your money back? You're getting my 100% no-risk guarantee because I'm confident Wealth Creation Blueprint is what you need. I'm so confident it'll work for you, I'm prepared to let you try it risk-free for an entire 30 days. If you are not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. So there you have it. Click on the button below.